cut the fender. The old owner cut the fender.
Hell yeah.
Dude, slapping. We need to put, like, get a broom and just mount it here like a mullet on the back of it. Like, it's just starting out, but you got to give him his props anyways.
Yeah.
And that broom's thick.
Oh, yeah.
What he does have is thick. We got to get new graphics for it. This is going to say Mullet Master. And it's going to be a promotional item for the mullet teachings. It's going to get mullified.
Oh, yeah.
And
There'll be a lot of babies made in that bed.
oh, yeah. Fun and tetanus.
I got a 3-foot bed that never has to be made.
Don't worry about that. You're going to need it open to wash her anyways. Looks like it was underwater for a while.
Yeah,
Look, like half a year.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Yep.
Yep.
Wow.
Let's pop that bad boy.
Oh, we got us some snacks.
What?
Some eggs.
Dude, did you just disturb that?
Yeah. I'm hungry.
Oh, the mom's not going to be able to find it from East Texas.
It's a beaver dam.
Oh, that's a mulleted sparrow. It's a nest. You just misgendered. You just misgendered that in sparrow.
It's that way.
East. Keep going. Keep going. Yep. That's the way. That's where I did get it. Was over that way.
That way.
You're exactly right. Took you a sec.
Yep.
Yep. He's close.
It's over there.
That's fresh. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta go ahead and get this up and running too. $5. You clean all your teeth.
Dude, with that Vagisil? No. What is that, a Vagisil?
Was that a vag pick?
Dude, those are...
That's a herpy popper.
Yeah. That's exactly what that is.
That's one of them pus pokers.
That's a goddamn douche sword. They sell those by the 100-pack.
We're gonna get this operational today too. Well, shit, dudes. This one is winning. It's classier. It's put in some work. You know, some people have rented that over the years.
Oh yeah.
And
then they finally stole it.
Yeah. Then they kept it so long. Yeah, they kept it so long.
We've rented it enough. This one's ours.
This is just an example of what PB Blaster is. Get busy with it. That's the big shot, bro. You just sling it around like it's unlimited supply. Oh, it's only those 2 hinges. I thought it had a pin all the way through.
No.
Maybe we need something a little thicker than that. My dogs are gonna shit.
Not getting any better at all. I think it's getting worse.
WD-40. We might need to. Do we lift it to remove? Oh, it's stuck.
No, you gotta unweld it.
God Almighty, dude. I guess just try and blast it some more in the other ones, and we'll just hope upon hope. Starting to look a little better. That's what we're up to. YZ250, KX125, CR500. Plus this stuff out here we're working on. So it's going to be official. Dude, I love when I get a bike and I find out it was a racing bike.
Yeah.
Like nothing better,
dude,
than finding out this is a racing mule. You can't bust those zip ties?
There's steel.
We'll see if she'll start. He said she'd run, but the back tire got locked up. That ought to do her right there. A little gas to sucketh it. Them grips.
The auto feels okay.
I got some scripts. I think it'll run, dude. Do you want to just try gas and starting it? Okay. Yeah. I'll clean the carburetor. Where's your gas? I want to be sure and waste just at least a half gallon.
I'm gonna clean the carb with my
throttle hand. Yeah, keep my throttle hand strong. Are you sure you can start it? It's 125.
I kick the whole bottom.
Kick the whole peg. Yeah, kick the peg smooth off. We're gonna see. Blake, instead of cleaning the carb, I told him it might run, so he's naturally. I can tell he ain't serious because he ain't got his racing glasses on.
I don't even need those for this kind of bike.
What about Steel's Glory since we flooded the engine and starting it?
Well, my shoes are too small and they go in between the.
Pick these, you have to do it with your toes. You try and do it here.
Yeah, but then it hits the top of my foot. So, told you.
I'm way too goofy for this.
This was gonna happen to me. That's why I wasn't kicking it hard. You see?
I seen it coming off whenever you kicked.
Well, first kick broke it.
That's my beefy one. You want to put it on the stand? Oh shit! I think you got that sucker.
Yeah.
It's got plenty of sag. You almost had it, but you went down a little bit there at the end. And he's carb gone through.
Yeah.
So we're yanking the carb off the 125. Then we're gonna test start this, and if she fires, then we're yanking the carb off this 500. See, man, it's a topsy-turvy world with the COVID. I mean, you get your race bike here, with just, that's what's left of the filter, what it didn't eat. And then you got the mule out there with the brand new racing filter in it.
Man, she don't want to go in over there.
Yeah, clean her.
She gooped up.
You gotta pull her out and clean her. You gotta clean in its throat.
I did. Twice.
Man, you didn't bring us you got brake cleaner over here?
No, I brought this napkin and I cleaned in here, then I cleaned the slide.
But you didn't BB blast it. See what you got. Look at this mess from Blake, man. All this come out from his mullet whenever the bike started. Look at it, guys. I just tuned it up perfectly.
Yeah, right.
Sweet, no back brakes. He don't learn, guys.
Wow. All right.
Rev the piss out of her. She's good.
That's all she's gonna need. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. The extra horsepower in the back. It's about a V12 right there, but American muscle, not like a like double V8 V12. You know what I mean? Two V8s together. That's a V12.
Looking good, though. That's a 2G shot. Well, boys, I love it when one just needs them brakes bled. Yeah. Yeah. Blake said some dude named Paco was running shit across the border on this thing. He could fit you like a good old fat 8-ball in there, I think.
I used to go by Paco, yeah.
That's a ball, I think, in there. AutoZone OEM 5-ton puller. Because the Harbor Freight skis I had weren't doing it, boys. This thing is in a bind now. Hub off, finally. Look at, I bent her there, bent her there, bent her there and there. But now, because this is a 5-ton puller, this is only like 200 foot-pounds. So if I'm able to turn that, then you better not brake on me.
Look, they're stuck.
They're stuck to it. Dog, fist bump, bro.
Hell
that
yeah.
went from 800 as is to probably 1800, homie.
Yeah.
Let's jump it. Yep. Stomp the shit out them fucking hubs. Oh, my new tool's on there. Oh, you dick.
Yeah.
Get her.
Right there.
Get her,
That thing can go right there.
It's gonna start getting hotter, bro.